Hey guys, Trevor Oakes here, out here in beautiful Leadville, Colorado. In town this week, testing some high altitude performance for our new drone platform integrations. Leadville is a great place to do altitude testing because it is the highest elevation incorporated town in America at over 10,000 feet. Leadville today is more known for its exclusive sweater wear, such as Melanzana, but it was once the silver mining and lead mining capital of the world, exporting something like 40 to 50% of all silver and lead. Leadville was once known for its crazy characters, such as Horace Tabor, and my favorite, Poker Alice. Look her up if you don't know who she is. We thought it'd be cool for you guys to take a walk through mining's history and capture some scans of the old structures of Leadville, Colorado. All right, first up, we got this old ore house, barn, unsure. Today, instead of stockpile, it looks like it's home to a pretty enormous bird's nest up to here. They're chirping at me a little bit. And next we'll come over to here. It's a bit of the extraction tower, hauling ore and such. Okay, so Jake and I, driving around these old Leadville mine sites, we discovered this old structure, the bridge. Looks like maybe a cart was pulled across that at some point. As you can see, it's definitely in shambles right now, but super cool. Want to check it out, and we thought this might be a great opportunity to fly the Nexys on top of the FreeFly Astro Max, our new integration that we've been testing at high altitude. And yeah, we want to let this thing rip and see how it performs.